Stickman videos are going absolutely viral at the moment. You will find these Stickman animations all over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. When it comes to income potential, the RPM in this niche is remarkably high. Looking at this particular channel shown on your screen right now, this is a Stickman animation channel that is currently generating around 11.3 USD per month for every 1,000 views. When we look closely at their content, they rely on simple black and white 2D cartoon Stickman figures and keep producing videos in that same consistent style. You can clearly observe the video style being displayed on your screen at this moment. Now, when we talk about their subscriber count, they have built up roughly 10.7 million subscribers, and this was accomplished through approximately 4,000 to 5,000 videos. They have posted a massive number of short-form videos, which is one of the biggest driving factors behind their rapid growth. So today, we are also going to build Stickman animations, and we will do it using a completely free AI tool. So make sure you watch this video all the way through without skipping. Now guys, without wasting a single moment, I have already put together a complete all-in-one master prompt for you. This master prompt covers everything based on the channel style, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. All you need to do is copy it. The link is provided in the description below. Copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Once you are inside ChatGPT, paste the prompt. After pasting it, simply hit Generate. The moment you click Generate, ChatGPT will immediately give you 10 well-structured image prompts. These will be organized scene by scene, covering Scene 1, Image Prompt, Video Prompt, and Voiceover all the way through to Scene 10. So guys, this video is going to be incredibly useful for you. Please make sure you do not skip any part of it. First, we will move on to image generation. For generating images, the tool we are going to use is called Flow AI, which is one of the top free AI tools out there. After opening it, log into your account. Once logged in, select the Nano 2 model and set a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then tap on the plus icon. At this point, you just need to take a screenshot of any Stickman character from a channel similar to the one I mentioned earlier and upload it as a reference image. Once the reference image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into the tool, and hit Generate. Follow this exact same process for every single scene. Simply upload the reference image, paste in the prompt, and click Generate. Do this for every scene, 3rd, 4th, 6th, 7th, all of them. Within a short period of time, all of your images will be fully ready. As you can see on the screen, every image is now complete, and our red hoodie Stickman character remains perfectly consistent throughout. Now that the images are all set, the next step is video generation. For video generation, we are once again going to use a free AI tool. The tool we are using today is a brand new tool, and you will find the link to it in the description. Open it and go to the login page. After that, sign up using a temporary email address. Copy the email, paste it in, enter your name, paste the verification code, and click on Create Account. Once your account is set up, you will get 500 free credits, which we are going to use to generate our videos. Now, navigate to AI Video. After opening it, you will see several different models available. You do not need to overthink it. Just select 1.2.6. Then upload your first image. After uploading it, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt and voiceover for the first scene. Paste everything into the tool and click Generate. Your first video will begin generating right away. Within a short time, it will be fully ready. Go ahead and preview it. As you can see, in just 1 minute, it has produced a complete video along with voiceover. It looks genuinely impressive and very polished. In just 5 seconds, a full animated clip has been created. Now, for the following video, repeat the same steps. Upload the next image, copy the next voiceover and video prompt, paste it in, and click Generate. Your next video will be ready very soon as well. As you can see, the next video is also done and the scene looks extremely professional. Repeat this same process for all the remaining scenes. If you ever find yourself running low on credits, simply shorten the video duration and generate again. Your video will still be produced without any issue. Now, as you can see, the final video is being generated and will be completed very soon. So guys, I genuinely hope you enjoyed today's video. This simple 3 to 4 minute workflow has the potential to completely transform your journey. Just go ahead and start a Stickman channel like this one. Upload content consistently, and you will start seeing real growth within just 1 month.